There we go. All right, you ready for a hot dog? All right. Ooh.
Hey, Baffle.
Is that a good hot dog?
Nah.
You know what Daddy's gonna have on his hot dog? Sauerkraut. Here, try a little sauerkraut. We're gonna melt this up and eat it with pilot bread. I got some leftover ptarmigan stew from our trip to Nome. So I'm gonna make some of that too. All right, so I got the frozen ptarmigan stew. I'm gonna put it in the jacuzzi. And we're gonna put the honey garlic brie hors d'oeuvre in here.
Why is too short, Daddy?
It's very. All right, you guys want? I'll